welcome back to Tom's Bike Shop. Today we're taking the parts off my old Norco Wolverine. It's the first bike I ever bought out of my own money. And we're going to put it all on this brand new Trek 4900 frame. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is start taking all the parts off the bike. So let's get started. Oh. So a lot of parts from this bike we will be reusing, almost all of them, but this fork is pretty old, it's blown, it's got to go. So we're going to replace it with this brand new RockShox 100mm fork. So I'm going to have to take this fork into work to get the proper tools to put the races on this fork, because I don't have the right tools for that job. This front derailleur we will be taking off, but it won't be going on the new bike. We're going to get a 1x drivetrain, so we don't have to worry about gears on the front of our bike. Alright, we got all the parts off the bike and we're reusing most of these parts, but we got some new parts like the new frame and the new fork. The 1x drivetrain will be a much cleaner look. It'll just shift nicer. It won't be as noisy. We'll save a lot of weight. So we'll take our two chain rings off our crankset and we'll get it ready to put on our narrow wide chain ring for our 1x drivetrain. I'm going to be borrowing these chesters off my road bike for this build to put on my hardtail. My road bike doesn't really need chester pedals. I don't really ride it that much. Road bikes are kind of a road biker thing. So yeah, let's get these off. Okay, now that we have everything off the bike, off camera I'm going to clean up all the parts. I'm going to go to the bike shop. I'm going to put the new race on the new fork, put in a new star nut, cut it to size, and everything should be perfect to put together tomorrow. Alright, so I went into the bike shop today and I swapped over my headset races and my 68mm bottom bracket from the old frame doesn't fit the new frame, so I had to get a 73mm Hollowtech bottom bracket, and the Hollowtech one needed a new crankset because the old crankset won't fit with this one. So I ended up getting a Shimano Derailleur 1x crankset. I cut the steer tube with the fork down to size so everything's ready to be put on, so let's get started. And just like that, it's done. And now every bike in my collection is a Trek. Please sponsor me. All that's left to do now is take it for a ride. All right, bike feels really good on the uphill pedals because of the wide range gears, but who cares? So we're gonna do a downhill. On a hardtail, you kind of have to pick and choose your lines because you don't have a rear shock to bail you out. So we have to be very precise with our line choices. And let's see how it goes. We got a drop coming up. Oh, hard landing. That was quick through there. Another drop and a long berm, a little jump, tight turn, drop, nice wall ride. Ooh, tight berm section, another berm. Now we got a nice jump. That's what hardtails are for. Berm. Ooh. Oh, that was quick through there. Oh, what a skid. What a skid. Oh. Whew. Now that was fun. This thing is a lot of fun though. What an absolute riot. This is what hardtails are for, having fun. A 26-inch wheel hardtail might not be the fastest bike you'll ever own, but man, is it ever fun. All in all, I'm super happy with this bike. The wide range gears makes climbs super easy. And it's a hardtail, so it puts the power down and none of your energy's lost in the rear shock. And the ride on the downhill might be a bit bumpier, but it's just so much fun. All in all, super happy with this bike. Just goes to show that you don't need a $6,000 carbon full suspension bike with 29-inch wheels to have a bit of fun. Just ride what you have and you'll have fun. It doesn't matter what kind of mountain bike you have, just get out and ride. Thanks for watching Tom's Bike Shop, and I'll see you in the next episode.